iPhone SE 2 is the most affordable iPhone. It is known when a presentation. It has been several years after the iPhone SE appeared on the market. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has a great track record of true predictions about the release of new iPhone models. He said that in 2020 we are likely to see the iPhone SE 2. Features: the smartphone will receive a powerful A13 Bionic processor and will be equipped with 3 GB of RAM, LPDDR4X. In fact, we will see such a younger brother iPhone 11, but in the iPhone 8 form factor. The analyst assumes that the display will have a 4.7-inch diagonal. Most likely he will receive only one sensor of the main camera and the home button, instead of Face ID. Other features will be comparable to the iPhone 8. Ming-Chi Kuo believes that the smartphone will be released in circulation, up to 40 million devices. For comparison, Gartner recently estimated that, in total, the company produced over 48 million units of iPhone XS and XS Max smartphones. This process lasted from October 2018 to June 2019. More about the cost: if the iPhone SE 2 goes on sale at a price of $399, as predicted, then it will be $50 cheaper than the iPhone 8. Apple introduced the iPhone SE in March 2016, so maybe we will see the debut of the second-generation smartphone in the spring.